In this video, I will tell you that how to restore deleted WhatsApp videos or messages without backup. So there are basically two methods that I will show you in this video. So the first is you need to open up your WhatsApp here, and then you tap on three dots at the top right, tap on settings here, and then you will tap on the privacy here, sorry, account here, sorry, chat here, and here at the last it says the chat backup. So what this will do is this will actually back up all of your messages, audios and videos to a Gmail drive. Okay, so you need to do this. You will tap on chat backup here, and then you will select any account here, and then you will tap on this backup here, and it will upload all of your WhatsApp images, messages, audios, videos to a Gmail drive. And when and then when you open up a new account on a new phone, then it will ask you to actually download that specific audio and videos for you on the new phone. Or even if if I delete this WhatsApp from this phone, and then I will if reinstall this, it will ask me to download my old information from Gmail drive. So this is the first method, and the second method is to actually you have to install a software on your PC. If you open up Google Chrome here, and you will type here like Droid Kit, and you will open up the first link, which is the official Droid Kit. So you will open up this link, and from here you actually have to download this Droid Kit. Okay, so it's not free, it's paid. Okay, so you can actually use its trial version here, and in this you can actually recover all of your WhatsApp data here. Okay, you can use this droid kit, and uh, if you just go back, and you can actually like download and use this one too. Okay, we just have to wait for actually reload it. So these are like couple of different droid kits. Yes, this one. So you can actually use this droid kit to actually recover all of your WhatsApp. Like here you see lost your precious photos, important WhatsApp messages, or the other value data, your phone got frozen. Like you can actually use this droid kit and install this on your system to actually recover your WhatsApp information from this software. So that's it for this video. If you find this video useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video.